Yo guys, how are you all doing? So this is my channel's first video and it is all about parallel parking in 4 steps. I'll be briefing you about parallel parking and the steps I was taught in Dubai by my instructor in the driving center. First things first, what is parallel parking and how do we position the car properly? Parallel parking is a method of parking a vehicle parallel to the road in line with other parked vehicles. Let us assume that we need to park this car here. So this car needs to be positioned along with the car already parked ahead of the parking bay. It needs to have a distance of 0.5 meter between the car and the parking bay. Steps or tips for parallel parking. Adjust your side mirrors downwards in a way that the backlight or tail light of the car is visible on the top left corner of the right mirror and top right corner of the left mirror. Both door handles should be visible on both the side mirrors. Adjust your rear mirror according to your comfort. Turn your right indicator on and shift your gear to reverse. But wait. These 6 safety checks needs to be followed before reversing your car. First, check your rear mirror. Second, check your left mirror. Third, check your left shoulder. Fourth, check your rear mirror. Fifth, check your right mirror. Sixth, check your right shoulder. Once the above safety check is performed, start reversing your car if safe to do so, and turn your steering to maximum towards right when you see this yellow point gets covered below your right mirror. As soon as you see the red point in the left mirror, stop the car and release 10% of the brake and start steering your steering wheel to maximum towards left. Keep reversing while holding your steering towards the left until you observe that your car is in a proper position. Pull the handbrake and shift your gear to parking. This is how your car's left wheel will look like when parked. Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. To exit the parking bay, turn on left indicator, shift the gear to drive, release the handbrake and hold the brake. Perform the safety checks, that is check your rear mirror, check your left mirror, check your left shoulder. Fourth, check your rear mirror. Fifth, check your right mirror. Sixth, check your right shoulder. After performing the safety checks, turn your steering wheel to the maximum towards left, if safe to do so. Once half of your car or your front door handle's keyhole is on the bay, this is the bay. On the bay, turn your steering wheel to the maximum towards right. Straighten the steering wheel once your car is positioned properly. But do avoid dry steering. What is dry steering? Dry steering basically means turning the steering of vehicle when the vehicle is stationary or not moving. What does it do? It damages the tires of your vehicle. It also deducts points in your internal and RTA Smart Yard parking test in Dubai. Tips for parking test in Dubai. The time allotted for parallel parking is 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes you have to enter the parking bay, park the car properly and exit the parking bay. Your time starts when you shift your gear to reverse. Your points get deducted when you do not turn on the indicator while entering or exiting the parking bay. Dry steering, mirror touches the line, forget to pull the handbrake, forget to shift the gear to P. Please do leave comments, subscribe, like and share. Thank you, see you until next time.